Hi, I'm Joe McCabe, owner of Mr. Handyman of Northern Virginia, Arlington to Haymarket. Do you need help with a drywall project in your home? Drywall repair is one of our most requested services. Our technicians are experienced craftsmen who can provide solutions for all types of drywall jobs.
Whether you have a hole in your wall that needs to be patched, extensive water damage, or a larger drywall project that needs attention, Mr. Handyman is the most trusted solution and will do the job right. In addition to repairs and patches, Mr. Handyman can also update the look of your home by eliminating popcorn ceilings and creating a smoother finish on your walls and ceilings. Our versatile technicians can also improve the value of your home by repainting or adding features like crown molding after drywall projects are completed. Mr. Handyman technicians are experienced tradesmen. We show up to your home in uniform, driving a clearly marked van, with the tools and experience to do the job right. If you have more than just drywall on your to-do list, there's no need to make multiple phone calls. You can trust your entire to-do list to Mr. Handyman.
Turn your drywall repair headache over to a pro and spend more time doing the things you want. One call does it all.